Hey everyone, welcome back. If your bank feed in Xero is not working, maybe transactions aren't showing up or the connection keeps failing, you're definitely not alone. This issue can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on automatic feeds to keep your accounts accurate and up to date. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple ways to fix Xero Bank Feed problems in 2026, and most of these solutions only take a few minutes. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is check the status of your bank feed inside Xero. To do this, go to the Accounting menu and open Bank Accounts. Here, you'll see all your connected accounts along with their current status. If there's an issue, Xero will usually show a warning or notification. If your bank feed appears disconnected, the easiest fix is to reconnect it. Click on the affected account and follow the steps to reconnect. You'll be asked to log in to your online banking and approve the connection again. Make sure you're entering the correct login details. Even a small mistake like an outdated password can stop the connection from working. If you've recently changed your banking password, this is often the reason the feed stopped syncing. Another common issue is related to your browser. Sometimes stored cache and cookies can interfere with how Xero loads or communicates with your bank. To fix this, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then reload Xero and try again. You can also try opening Xero in a different browser or using incognito mode to see if that resolves the issue. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it might also be causing the problem. Some banks and services restrict connections from certain locations or IP addresses. Try turning off your VPN and reconnecting your bank feed again. Now, it's also possible that the issue isn't on your side at all. Sometimes your bank may temporarily block or interrupt the connection for security reasons or maintenance. In this case, it's a good idea to log into your online banking directly and check for any alerts or messages. You can also contact your bank to confirm that third-party connections like Xero are still enabled. If you've tried all of these steps and the bank feed still isn't working, your next option is to reach out to Xero support. They can check your account in more detail and help identify exactly what's causing the issue. Here are a few extra tips to avoid problems in the future. Always keep your banking credentials up to date in Xero. Avoid frequent password changes without reconnecting your feed. And regularly check your bank feed to make sure transactions are syncing properly. These small habits can save you a lot of time and frustration later on. And that's it. Those are some of the most effective ways to fix bank feed issues in Xero. In most cases, it's something simple like reconnecting your account or clearing your browser data. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.